guys, so I know I haven't posted in like a really long time, but today I'm gonna try to start posting it because it's like the summer now, so I don't have like school and stuff, but I'm gonna try to start like posting like at least once a week at most, but I'll try to do like every other day if I can, or even like try every day. I'll see. But I'm gonna be showing you all the new fidgets I got. So first I have these pop tubes, the 3 of them, and they're glow in the dark, and yeah, that's how they go when you stretch them out, and then when you get in, it's so annoying to put pop tubes back, but whatever. And then those are the pop tubes, and then I got 2 of these poppets. I got a rainbow heart and a rainbow unicorn. So it came in like a fidget pack that I got for Christmas, and there were so many fidgets in there. I have like so much to show you guys. So there is this poppet, and the unicorn. Sorry, I'm kind of like rushing. I don't know why. I don't want to make it too long, and I have a lot to show you. So that's the unicorn, and then I have a tiny bear. Not really that good, but look, there's cute little bear prints on the pops. I don't know if you guys can really see it, but like on the pops, there's like little bear prints. I think you guys can see it better like when I pull it away. Yeah, so that's the little bear prints, and then I also got this stress ball. I don't know if it's a strawberry or a tomato. I don't know what it is, but comment down below what you think it is. It looks like a tomato, but it also could be a strawberry, but I don't know. But it's really nice. And then I also got this. I have absolutely no clue what it is. All I know is it's some type of pop thing. I don't know what it's supposed to be. All I know is it's some type of like little poppet thingy. It's good though. I got it in fidget trading. And then I also got, I don't know, did I show this or not? So I had to read it like 5 times. I don't know what I showed or not. I got a zippy bracelet, and then oh, I got this slinky. Did I show you guys the crab poppet? I don't know if I did or not, but here's the crab poppet, and even if I did, here's some pops from it again. If I did or if I didn't, I don't know. That's the crab poppet. Okay, that's everything from the pile. Okay, now I also got this little like poppet bag. So it's actually kind of like big inside. There's like a decent amount of room. It had like a keychain, but like it fell off. And either way, the keychain did not match at all. So I'm kind of happy it fell off. It was like all pink, and it was like really long. But the keychain was cute, so I put it on my backpack. And then I took it off, and I gave it to my sister. Then I took it back. But those are the outside pops. And then the pops to pop it back out are better. Just kind of annoying to pop it. But like, I don't mind like popping it like this, but like all the way at the bottom is kind of annoying. I got another can of Play-Doh. I'm not gonna open it because it's just Play-Doh, and my friend gave it to me at school. I got this dinosaur poppet from TJ Maxx. It is terrible. Look. This one even has a hole. I mean, because it's so bad. Anyway. Like, look, I'm pressing all the way back. It's like we'll never get to feel the other side. Look. So it's really bad, but sometimes the tail, only if you put it like sometimes it stays down, but like, yeah. other side's not that good either. When I pop it from the tail, it's kind of bad. Sorry, I'm itching my mosquito bites. I have so many. Like, look at that mosquito bite. Then I also got like one right here, and then I got like a bunch on my leg. Because last night I was like outside, and that I showed you. Okay, so I got this popsicle. Perfect for the summer. So that was, it had letters on it, which is kind of annoying. This is the other side. Okay, oh, I also got this yellow hexagon poppet. I know you guys know I've had a blue one for like a while, and then now I got a yellow one. It's kind of bad though, but whatever. I got a tie-dye poppet ball. It's really nice. And then I got, this. I love this one. I got a blue one too, with like blue, white, but I gave it to my friend. This really cool wacky track. I love wacky tracks. They're just so nice. Wait, I'm gonna make a snapper out of it. Let me just close it first. Ah! Okay, there we go. I like clipped my finger in the chair. Okay, so we're just making the tea. Okay, so we made the tea. And then fold all the parts in. I never made a snapper with this wacky track, so it's kind of hard. Ah. Fun fact, a regular snapper was actually like my first fidget. Yeah, I went to a fidget store, and that was like the first thing I picked up was a snapper. Where is my snapper? Okay, anyways, moving on. Do I even have anything else to share? I think I do, I don't know. I got a pink marble mesh. I got like a bunch of new mochis. I don't think you can know, so here's all of them. Like, those are not all the names, but like the old ones on the new. Oh, I got a simple dimple. Like a real one. So I had like a fake one before. I got a new bike chain. I got like a bunch of monkey noodles too, but I don't know where they're all at this moment. This one, yeah, this one you guys seen on our other videos. Oh, I got this tiny pop too. This is really pretty. I love the color. Oh, I got this like really big monkey noodle. Like this is the big monkey noodle, and then this is a regular monkey noodle. Like, look at that difference, and it's also a lot longer. And I really like the big one better. The big one's more like stretchy and like satisfying and stuff. Oh, I got this. It's like a heart dimple, but it's so annoying because I put this one backwards. So like, and then when you pop it this way, like that. Yeah. But, wait, is that everything? Oh, here's my snapper, by the way. Wait, I think. Oh, I got another infinity cube to add to my like collection of that. Oh, I got another one of these spinners. This one's like kind of hard, so I don't really like it. It's like really hard, and it like hurts too. But it's really, I like the tie-dye, and it spins really fast. Let's try that again. Okay, now the air is coming. Now it's gonna be like really loud. Okay, I also got this poppet, mini poppet. Wait, is that everything? I think it might be. I'm gonna take one more check. Because then I'm probably gonna end this video like, oh my god, I forgot to find the video. Oh, I got like a little It's cool. My brother did. I don't know if they got at school, but he didn't like it. I guess I think when I was like, I got a mini Rubik's Cube. Actually, you've seen this in my other videos because I actually made another video of this like a while ago with my brother, because this was my brother's, but he fidget trained it like not so long ago. And then yeah, I'm pretty sure that's everything. So yeah, I did get a lot of new fidgets while I haven't been posting, but I'm also not really like, I still like, I'm just gonna keep doing like this because it's easier. It's a rough shit. Oh my god, what the heck? I'm stretching like that, or whatever. Sorry about that. I'm still into fidgets, but like not like addicted to them like I used to be. Oh wait, I also got the yellow circle on it. But yeah, that's everything. Okay, so yeah, that's everything I got. Yeah, now I have a whole mess to clean up. Sorry about my not matching. I'll just show right here. Okay, don't mind my non-matching pajamas. I got a new one of these for the open pack. But otherwise, I'm pretty sure it's everything. But yeah, I'll try to start posting more, and hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. Hope you had an amazing day. Also, my wrist was actually sprained, so I couldn't really do anything anyways for like 3 weeks. So yeah, actually just got cleared. When was it? Last week, I think. Yeah, last week. No, actually, yesterday was, wait, today's Saturday? Yeah, today's Saturday. So yeah, I got cleared last Friday, like last week on Friday. So yeah, like about a week ago, I got cleared. And I actually sprained my wrist by doing cheer, because I do cheer, and I was doing the backward roll, and then I got like all the way back. So, this is not like close at all, but yeah. So yeah, I think that's everything. But yeah, I'm saying yeah a lot. Why? Yeah. Okay. Anyway, that's it for now. Hope you guys have a great day. I'll try to post more often now. And yeah. Oh my god. I keep saying it. Okay. Yeah. Oh my god. Okay. Anyways. Bye. Hope you enjoyed the video. Bye.